So as before, a little bit of push and pull. Drill technique. So we're going to arm drag, come in, a little push if you need to. Okay, lock the heel, make sure it's the heel, and then sit down and back wide. As I come over, my shoulder comes behind his shoulder.
ちょうど相手の脇に自分の頭を入れるようにする。
Arm comes through deep.
巻きつけた手はめちゃくちゃ深くして、
I lock up my own arm and grab my head.
二の腕と自分の頭を押さえるようにして。
Okay. Now, as most of you know, maybe from this position, I can't finish. Normally, the setup for this is tight, and when I get here, I can finish. But a good guy or someone who has small shoulders can be hard to finish. So, shin across the hip first. Slide out, and then you slide down and back at the same time as circling to the head.
頭が上に上がったら戻していって。
Make it very tight. If not,
決まらなかったら腕組み直して。今のはこっちにしたら
ちょっと今これがあったんででも
slide. Okay. Now, right half that. One half that.
Thank you, coming Japan Tokushima professor.
Thank you very much for having me.
How about tonight's seminar, right?
I think it went well. Tonight we covered some arm drag, duck under, all leading into submissions. So we done lateral drop from the back, leading into arm triangle. We also done run the pipe, leading into the over-under position. From there I showed a knee bar, guard pass, and then finishing with the cradle position. And then finally we done a lateral drop from the front, leading into either the back take and finishing with a rear naked choke, or if they land on the side, finishing with the Bravo choke. And I showed a few variations from there. I think everyone enjoyed it. We've had guys come from Kosabara Takamasu, guys from Himeji, and all the guys here at Tokushima. Thank you very much to Professor Rio, Professor Salvatore, and everyone for organising this and having me here. You're welcome. I hope you enjoyed it too.
Thank you. It was very good night. Thank you. Come again, please.
Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu.
ありがとうございました。